May the 4th be with you guys. Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm showing you guys a very special video here today of my Star Wars 1 to 400 scale aircraft here. So we have the LATAM 777-300ER, which I've had for quite some time now. Did purchase the ANA Star Wars, which is still flying today as well. Super cool. I'm really unsure which of these two are really flying today still. I know one of them is, I do believe. I could be wrong. I think it's this one still. But yeah, really cool, guys. Without further ado, guys, we're going to unbox each of these for you guys. We're going to take a look at them in honor of Star Wars Day 2025 here. Oh, because I know last year I don't think I ever even made a video. So let's get right into it, guys. All right, guys. First off, we have the LATAM 777-300ER. Look at this. I believe this is from, Phoenix Models. There we go. We got this official sticker right there. Got this a while ago. I did want to get the R2-D2, the 777 from ANA as well. I can't remember if I got that or not. I don't think I have it yet. But yeah, let's get this open. Opening the box here, as you guys can see, here it is. LATAM Airlines Disney World livery. I've seen this in person probably 2 to 3 times. I have a really, really good video of this at JFK. It's probably one of my Passenger Alex, my travel videos, my travel account. So I'm pushing back from JFK T4. I have like a full video of it. It was super cool. It was at nighttime, so you couldn't see it that good, but I knew it was there. You know what? Here, let's put it on here. And let's take a look. I just put more batteries in this thing, so should be going good, guys. Let me adjust the lighting for you guys there. Look at this. LATAM 777-300ER Phoenix Models, guys. Wow, look at that. Super cool. Go pick one up if you guys get the chance to. That's a lot of realism to your airport. So we have the Stormtrooper livery here, guys. Lots of details on this one. All right, guys, how about we go on to the next plane here? Next up, we got the ANA from JC Wings, I believe. ANA 777 here. The Star Wars R2-D2 here. So we got Stormtrooper. We got R2-D2 here. Even comes with its own collectible card. So that's really cool. Yeah, might as well show you guys everything. It is Star Wars Day. So let's go all out here. Here's the collectible card you get inside the box. Super cool. Inspiration of Japan. I think we're just gonna, let's pull it out. How about specifications? There you go. Well, that's nice. We gotta try and get it back in the box here. All right, guys, onto the model. Look at that. Absolutely iconic. Let's get it open. Let's get it on the turntable. All right, here we go. ANA Star Wars. What a really cool livery, guys. This is iconic. Let's get it on the turntable here. There we go. Look at that. Keep tapping this light accidentally here, guys. Immense detail on this plane. So this will be flying into my Los Angeles. Some JFK, but mostly I think Honolulu airports here. Absolutely amazing here, guys. Look at that. Super cool, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. On to the next. All right, guys, next up we got the Alaska Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Disneyland livery by NG Models. Super awesome livery and airplane here. I actually just got this plane and this the Star Wars one as well. So let's go ahead and open this and take a look. All right, guys, here it is out of the box. Super detailed. Let's get a nice shot of the Alaska Star Wars Disneyland aircraft here. Lots of detail, as you guys can see. I hope they make another Star Wars aircraft here soon too, because Star Wars is never going to go away, guys. It's really cool. Absolutely incredible. All right, guys, shall we? On to the next airplane. All right, guys, last up we have the United Airlines Star Wars 737-800 by NG Models. I actually just picked this one up too. Really cool. Let's get this thing open. Coming out of the box, check this out, guys. Super detailed. I think I should just start using like gloves to touch these things. Might add for some cool effect. Wow, this one might be my favorite, guys. Wow. All right, guys, here we go. United 737-800 Star Wars livery. Look at that. If you guys are a Star Wars fan, this is a must-have. Look at the detail on this thing. NG Models definitely has got it down, guys. They definitely got it down. Absolutely amazing. All right, guys, and here you have it. May the 4th be with you each and every day. Not just today, guys. Absolutely amazing aircraft here today, guys. LATAM 777-300ER and the Stormtrooper livery. Then we have the ANA R2-D2 livery here, guys. What a magnificent aircraft. Then we have the Star Wars United 737-800. Look at that. And the Disneyland livery. Guys, I can't wait to get these on my airports, so stay tuned, guys, for that. These two guys have been flying for a long time here in a model airport, Nation Airports. Realistic airports from around the world, guys. And now we've added these two beautiful planes, so stay tuned for more, guys. Again, keep changing my light here. May the 4th be with you guys each and every day, and not just today. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy collecting.